welcome to our show. So today we are celebrating Halloween. Onaya, what are you dressed as?
Anna.
Your Princess Anna?
Yeah.
Alright, let me show you friends. We have some Halloween decorations over here. And then right here you can see we have pumpkins. Onaya decorated some pumpkins. And she has a lot of more decorations for Halloween.
Let's welcome my decoration.
What is that?
Hi friends! When I say hi to your friends?
Hi friends.
So today it's Halloween time. So we're gonna make some magic potion. So right here we have, let me show you what we got over here. This is the magic dust. This is the monster sweat. And this is monster goo. And this is the magic crystals. And this is from the bat. We got some bat hair. This is bat hair. So we're gonna show you guys how to make the magic potion. So first we're gonna put some
Water.
This is not water, Onaya. This is what is monster sweat.
Monster sweat.
So we're gonna put some monster sweat. And then, not that one. We're gonna put some monster goo on this one. This one too.
It's colorful.
It's colorful, right?
Yeah.
Now Onaya's gonna put a little by little. Take some to your hand and put it, Onaya. That's the magic crystals, right? Put little for all the cups. Okay, now put it for this one too. Little by little, Onaya. Get a little. Get everything to your hand. And put few to this one and few to this one. Okay, now put the rest over here. Put it inside. Okay?
Yeah.
And now we're gonna add some that hair to this, only this one. And now
No, mommy.
we're gonna do the magic powder.
I know how to do that. Let's see that.
Put more now. Put more. Look, friends.
But we need more here.
Let's put some more magic sweat.
Oh no, let's put the water together.
Oh, look at that!
What's coming out?
Look at that, friends. If it's gonna come out now. Look at the magic potion.
Wow, it's coming out.
Okay,
It's coming out.
it's coming out, Onaya.
Yeah.
Wow, it's nice, right?
No.
Now let's put some
No.
ghost sweat on this one.
Look at this.
You see that, Onaya?
Yeah.
It's nice, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this one now. Let's put some magic dust inside. And we're gonna put the ghost sweat.
It's coming out.
Wow, look at that, friends. Look at Onaya's magic potion. It's coming out, right, Onaya?
Yeah.
Look, what color is this one? What color is that, Onaya?
Black.
What color is this? What do you see? What color?
White.
And what else you see?
Green.
See? So that magic potion is green color.
What about it?
And what is this one? How about this
White.
one? It's white, right?
Yeah.
If we add some magic goo,
It's turning green now.
it's gonna turn green, right?
Yeah.
So let's try using this one and stir.
Let me stir it.
Whoa!
Let me stir it. Can I stir it too?
Look at this, friends. Wow!
Wow!
Alright, friends. I hope you guys enjoyed our magic potion video. Hope to see you guys soon. Onaya, say thank you and bye to your friends.
Bye, friends. Thank you, friends. Bye, friends.
Alright, friends. Thank you. Bye. Look, friends, our magic potion. We have 3 colors. What color is this? The first one, Onaya.
White.
And what color is that?
Green.
Green and?
Green and white.
And this one is?
Green.
Yes.